Hey y'all, today we are going to be cooking up these mushroom quesadillas, and I promise you that you won't even miss the meat. So let's get into it. So to begin, I am cleaning my mushrooms with a wet paper towel. This is the part of the mushroom that you don't want to eat, so make sure that you remove the gills from the mushrooms. I'm done dicing up the mushrooms, and I guess you're wondering what I poured on top of the mushrooms, so let me show you. So I chose this particular marinade because I wanted to give the mushrooms a steak flavor. So I'm stirring up the mushrooms and I let them marinate for a couple of hours in this marinade. I also added seasonings to the mixture as well. Next, I will be dicing up all of my veggies. I decided to use onions, red bell pepper, and jalapeno. So it's all about having fun when you are cooking, and remember that this is your masterpiece. So being that this is your masterpiece, you can add whatever veggies you would like into your quesadilla. Just use your imagination and go with it. Let's saute our veggies and add our seasonings. I'm reincorporating the onions back into the pan. I had some leftover black beans from the other day and I didn't want them to go to waste, so I decided to add them to the pan as well. I wanted to spice it up a bit and add 1 teaspoon of adobo sauce, and this stuff is extremely hot, so this step is optional. I sauteed my mushrooms until all of the liquid was evaporated. This is the final step. Let's put the quesadilla together. I am spraying the tortilla with cooking spray to help it brown. A quesadilla is not a quesadilla without cheese. I am using cheddar and pepper jack cheese. You guys, these turned out exactly the way I wanted them to, and they were so good. All of the flavors went well together, and the pieces of mushrooms tasted like pieces of steak. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to smash that like button on the way out. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. That is the end of this video, and until the next video, peace.
Stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine, in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now, everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must